it's G from Native Speakers Academy. Again. The moon, that great shining ball of infinity, is half full this evening. I'm continuing a theme here. Somebody once said to me, my love for you is unconditional. What do you think? Is it good? Bad? What does it mean? I'm not going to tell you who said it. If you're watching this, you're probably intelligent enough to work it out. Put the pieces together. It's a puzzle. My love for you is unconditional. You see, I think love should have borders, boundaries, limits, maybe rules, even. What you are prepared to accept and what you absolutely cannot accept and must reject. If you don't have borders, boundaries, and rules, what kind of person are you? What kind of character are you? If you don't have those things, you leave yourself open to be used, to be abused. If you don't have borders, boundaries, and limits, if you can't draw a line and say, that's it, damn it, no more. The famous story of Colonel Travis and his line in the sand. Well, my love for you is unconditional. You can't have love by any form of definition must have borders and boundaries. You can't just love someone whatever they do. That's just stupid, right? It's just insane. I mean, that would be a definition of insanity, madness, craziness, and idiocy, all mixed in a pot together, a giant soup of nonsense. So you've got to set yourself some rules. You've got to lay down some foundations. You've got to have things that you're not prepared to do. Because if you're prepared to accept anything and everything, it's not a good place to be. It's really not a good place to be. So beware. Beware of those unconditional concepts. And the words have definitions. Definitions mean that something is what it is. It cannot be something else. There must be borders, rules, lines, etc. I love you unconditionally. Well, hell, maybe I'd respect you more if your love had conditions within it. Conditions that made you who you are. So that we could love each other for who we are. Not what we might or might not become. It's a hard topic, that one. There we go. Time to go in, kiss the kids goodnight. Let me know what you think.